Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. So today here we are going to learn about science. What is science? From where this word come? Many of you will say that science is a subject, a boring subject, uh, which is having just long answers and we have to mug up and all this. So today let me clear your doubt that science is not just a subject. It is about your observation, your curiosity. So to know about more about science, let's go back. So here we are in the year 2020. So let's go back to many years ago when the earth was not there. There was no earth. So what happened when that time when there was no earth, many gases particles are coming together and dust particles are coming together, and this used to create the earth. When they come together, then our earth exists. On the earth there was nothing in the beginning. After this, what happened? On the earth water was formed. What was formed first? First land formed and then water was formed. As soon as water formed, here starts the life. The first animal found in water only, means water is there, there is life. So in water life is found. So from here only first animals are found, and then on the earth one very interesting creatures come on earth. Do you know about that interesting creature? I am giving you some ideas that this creature is very intelligent. This creature is having two hands. This creature is having two eyes. And also it has two legs. I think most of you know that this one is human being, none other than. Now from here science start, when these human beings come into existence. So how science start from these human beings? Let's see. As this human being is having mind, and this mind is having the power to think and to know about. This creature is not only just want to eat and just want to sleep and then just want to die. No, he want to know each and everything about its surroundings. So what he did, he used his mind. His mind is pushing him that why this is happening, what is happening, what I should do, what I can do. So slowly his mind use work and push him to know more about the world. So by using this mind develops curiosity. Curiosity means interest. This mind develops the curiosity means interest. It develops the interest to know. What to know? To know about the world or nature. So he want to know more about nature. So what he did, he used to start observing, and he started observing the natural things, natural phenomena very minutely, very carefully, that what is going on in nature, how this nature is this much colorful, what is happening. So this one we can understand with an example. Suppose in morning they are getting up, they are watching that something is coming up in the morning, through which we can differentiate between the color. We can see all the things difference. As soon as this thing is going away, we cannot see anything. So they try to find out reason behind it. They think about it. Slowly they observe that something is coming in the morning and something is going in the evening. What is that? That is a red ball. Red ball is coming up in the morning and that red ball is going down in the evening. Then we cannot see anything. When it is coming up in the morning, so we can see each and everything, each and every color, we can see each one of our friends, nearby things. When it is going down, then there is dark, we cannot differentiate between the colors. So like this, slowly they observed it daily, that a red ball is coming up, then it is going down, and we can differentiate. So this observation led them that something is coming up through which we can see the color, and then they use this knowledge to develop more things, that when this sun is coming up, we have to do most of our work. We have to do hunting, we have to do eating, and then we will sleep after this when this red ball will go down. So this is only science. What is science? That this process. What is the process? First they have observed. First they have observed very carefully. After observation, what they did, they try to find out the reason. They try to find out the conclusion or idea behind that. So after observation, they come to some conclusion. Means daily they are observing, then something is coming up, something is coming up. So after this observation, that is their observation, that something is coming up daily in the morning. That is their observation period. After so many days, they come to conclude that something is coming up in the morning, that is giving us light. And the last step, they use that knowledge to develop more things, to develop good things for human beings, for themselves. So last step is utilize. Last step is utilize or use it. So I think this much you understood. So actually what is science? Science is nothing, it is just this process. Which process? First your curiosity. Curiosity means your interest, through which you want to know. After your curiosity, observation, and after observation, conclusion, and after conclusion, utilize. Means how to use that knowledge. That example only. First they have curiosity that what is coming up, then they have observed that red ball is coming up, then they come to conclusion that this red ball is giving us light. Then they use that most of this work, most of our work we will do in daytime when this light is coming up. Understood? Only this process is known as science. Okay. This is known as science. Understood? Now to understand the concept more about science, let us see some examples. So what happened when this human being come into existence? They used to hunt the animals, and after hunting they are getting meat. So what they are finding it very hard to hunt the animal, because they are having no weapons, nothing. So they don't know anything. So they find it very hard to hunt the animal. So what they do, they want to know that how this animal are dying by food, how these animals are dying by food. So they start observing, and what they are finding in their observation, that when we beat with this wood, this animal is getting hurt and it is going to die. Beat with wood. Beat with wood. Then this animal is getting die, and they can take up that animal and easily they can make their food. So they use this knowledge that if they will beat with wood that animal, what they can do, they can kill the animal. They can kill the animal easily. They need not to do much hard work to get that animal, to catch that animal. So they come to conclude that with the help of this wood, without touching, we can kill the animal. And how they use? They use this one to kill the animal, and after killing, to make their food so that they can eat. So that they can eat. So this is the knowledge they have gained, they have used it. Now here is the last step completed. So first step, curiosity, that how we can kill the animal through wood. Second step, watch carefully that if we beat the animal with wood, then it will die. Then second conclusion, that we are beating with wood, then it is definitely dying. Then use this knowledge to get the food. They use that with the help of a stick we can get the food very easily. So here is the sum up of this science. Now how this is developed more. After this, they use to see that we can kill the animal more easy with the help of stone. We can kill the animal more easy with the help of a stone, as stone is heavy in compared to a stick. Stone is very heavy. If you throw it and someone's head will get. So stone, they use stone, and they watch carefully that when these animals are getting attacked by stone, so they are getting die very fast. If they are attacked by stone, so they are getting die very fast. In compared to wood stick, they are getting die very fast in compared to wood stick. And then what is happening? They use this knowledge to kill the animal. To kill the animal and then to get the food and then eat. Understood? And now see next example. Again, when this stone age gone, what come into existence? Metal. Now they are more curious to know about this thing, that if we kill an animal with the help of this metal, then it is also more easier than this stone. So what they use, that if they attack, by metal, so they are also getting very fast die. They are getting die very fast. And again they use this knowledge for the same purpose. First to kill the animal and then get the food and then eat that food. So by using this science process only, they developed this much, that this metal weapons are more better than this stone one and then that of wood one. Understood? In this video only this much. So thank you for watching. If you like the video, then subscribe to my channel.